Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Helper Official. In this video, I'm going to share you another great project named Roxy Doge, and the website link is roxydoge.com. As you know, guys, there have been many scam projects daily come in the market, and they come and scam very fast without paying our investment back. But this Roxy Doge token is a great trusted platform from a trusted admin. If you buy this token now, it may be profitable to you in the future. But as you know, you have to invest at your own risk only. We are not a financial advisor. So when you open this site roxydose.com, you can see their pre-sale is live on the Unicrypt network. So you can buy it in Unicrypt network. You will simply have to click the video link in description, and you will get to this Roxydose Unicrypt, and there you can buy from this Unicrypt, and their pre-sale round 2 is also starting in 2 hours. So you can see this all, and you can see Roxydose token. A dog is the only thing on the earth that loves you more than you love yourself. If you like the dog, you will fall in the love with Roxydose token. So you can see here, and here is the contract address they provided us. So you can see this here. And about the section of this Roxydose, you can see Roxydose is a cryptocurrency in honor of all the dog outs here. Roxy is our attempt in immortalizing dog family as a part of history and the future using humor. We are starting our first token, Roxy Dodge. Roxy is a lab and boxer mixed female about 5 months old. Both these breeds are highly energy and keep their puppy energy into adulthood. Roxy is no excursion. She is playful, goofy, and very loving. She will be happiest in home where she had lots of opportunity for play and exercise time. Roxy could benefit from some basic training because of her experience. Very small children might be at risk of getting knocked down. You can check the about section of here, and here you can check the tokenomics description. Here total supply you can check 1000 quadrennial. The total supply is tokenomics is 90% and soft capital is 50 bnb, and here hard capital you can check the 100 bnb, and liquidity logged is 60% 11 months, and max allocation you can see is here 2 bnb they are provided. Here you can check the token name is Roxy Doge, and the token platform is PEP 20 BSC. Total supply 1000 quadrennial. Available for purchase is the 100 bnb. Here you can easily check the roadmap of the site, and here you can contact them from this contact page. Let me show you the contract address. Here is the contract address they had provided, and here you can check balance and bnb value. Token taker is Roxy Dodge R Dogs, and here it is on Pogon chart. So you can see the total supply and the chart, and this will be added soon. It will be added soon to PancakeSwap, and you can simply buy from PancakeSwap, or after the pre-sale, and you can buy from PancakeSwap. It's a very great trusted platform. So if you want to buy, you will get all the links in the buying of description, so you can check that all.